So we're back from CES. It's been quite some time, but we finally got in our hands a copy of the Wacom Movink. This drawing tablet we actually checked it out. We actually made a video about it and all the cool features. I got to play with it a little bit at the convention. Now they've put one in our hands to do a more in-depth checkout and review of the product. So let's open this up and see what comes inside the box. So just right off the bat, it is an incredibly light box because it's an incredibly light tablet. $420 grams, incredibly thin. Oh, look at that. Look at that. As you can see there, it gets a little thicker where the USB-C port is, but as it goes down to the bottom, the bezel gets even smaller. It's incredibly thin. Now on the bottom also, there are two pieces of rubber here, top and bottom. They actually are gonna make traction onto the table, so that way when you're pushing it, it's gonna be a little bit more resistant, so it doesn't just send your tablet anywhere you go. This is me with just a light push. It is definitely giving some drag onto the table. Very nice. You got your Energy Star sign there. Very glass-like, very soft and smooth. And I'm putting fingerprints all over it. You've got one button touch here, one button touch there. And then the tablet connects via USB-C. The cable comes with its own little cord. The reason why they have that little wrap cord on there is because this device is great for on the go. And you can put this in, say, your laptop bag and take it with you wherever you go normally. So that cord will plug into your computer. Top of that, we have your quick start guide and your warranty paperwork and limited version information. And then we have here your pen. So one of the cool things about this pen comparatively to the other Wacom 3 pens is that it does spin apart. And then inside here is the storage system for the nibs, the extra nibs. As you can see there, those 3 different nibs there. You can see that this coloration nib, that is your rubberized nib. And they've actually got one of those actually on the pen already to start off. So all your tools for reorganizing that is on there. And then of course you do have your 3 button connectors here that you can program. Like I said, the 2 buttons here as well. So a really important part before we move on to demonstrate it, I want to point out there are 2 USB-C ports on the sides of the tablet. If you have a computer that does not support power out to USB-C while it's doing the video, you can connect it to one side with USB-C to the computer and the other side USB-C to power, and that'll give you the extra juice you need to get moving. If you want to swap out your nibs on your pen, it's actually really easy. You pull this piece out of the back end. It's got a little gripper on the bottom. You snag that on there, pull it out, and then you can swap it out with one of the different types of nibs. And it's really easy just to put that right back in there and then plug it back into the bottom and seal it up. Really cool. What we're gonna do is we're gonna plug this into the computer, let you see what this looks like in use, and we'll be right back. hopefully you guys like that. Hopefully you guys are well on your way to making your art as well, and we will see you guys next time. Hopefully when we check out the Intuos Pro when it's physically in our hands. See you guys then.